car season on this Sunday just fantastically. This show looks like it's a really, really good turnout. Let's go look at all the cars now. We're into some new stuff.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I had. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. Cheers to my past, I'm doing great now, just in case they ask. In the booth and I lay it down, I might take a nap. And they thought I was playing around, I was up like my tax. Living fast, over limit on the freeway, hope no cops pass. Had to dip out for a minute, yeah that's my bad. But I can't stay for too long, I gotta go, I gotta go. I grab my bag and hit the dash, yeah adios. I dropped the
Seeing this guy parked on the side of the road during that snowfall. Lost an angel eye. This color is just spectacular. Check this out. This is some clean. Here's a familiar face. Yolanda with the new carbon fibers. No more wrap. Looks so good in white. So nice. Good job, Yolanda.
But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad.
what a great day. Awesome turnout at both events. Not gonna lie, the quality at the first car show is next level. It was above and beyond. Now at the Nissan dealership, there was a lot of very high quality vehicles, but there was a lot of junk. Not washed, dirty, filthy, and the amount of people that sit in their cars during a car show, what's the point? You're going to the car show to enjoy the cars and look at all the other builds. Why are you just sitting in your car? Absolutely ridiculous. I know I'm sitting in the car because I'm filming the end of the vlog and I'm about to go home. So crazy, but some absolutely beautiful cars today and a lot of inspiration to keep pushing forward and working on the truck and getting her done. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Like that, please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.